Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is cut the 1 tablespoon butter. Satisfying. Alright, and then put it in the skillet. Oh. Hey guys, and today I'm opening the chicken breasts.
Chicken.
And then I'm going to wash them.
Yeah.
It's important to rinse your chicken. Putting the salt and pepper in, guys. I already put the salt in there. It's time for the pepper. I'm gonna do that. Now for the fun part. In medium bowl, mix Alfredo sauce, sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and Italian seasoning until well mixed. Pour over chicken breast, cover low on low heat, setting 3 to 4 hours or until chicken is no longer pink and center. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir in spinach, cook 5 minutes longer. Serve the linguine if desired.
Okay.
Okay, nosy. Is that all of it? Okay.
Eee.
What are you saying eel for?
Yeah, one.
This looks like ranch.
Well, for
The juice is only coming out. That's all of it. It's all right. Remember to recycle. Do not throw away these glasses. And I'm not talking about the ice. These. Now it's time to mix. Oh, we gotta crush that ball. No. Okay, here you go. Ew, I don't feed you. What's wrong with you? You're the one that wants the cheese. Ew, I don't like the smell of it, guys. Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon. But we just put the teaspoon thing up. So let's just sprinkle it a little. It's not coming out. Alright, I think that's enough.
Okay, good.
Use that for the eggs. I don't know which other one is. Which one?
Huh?
This? No. Smells really good too. all you gotta do is let it cook for 3 to 4 hours. I don't remember all that. Oh guys, look at that. Look at all that pizza. Wow.
Bye. Bye.
Listen up.
Bye.
There you go. I wish you guys could smell this through the phone. Smells like heaven, guys.
Thank you.
Un appetito, baby.
Just come with me. Mm. 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 Mm.
20 out of 10. If you love someone, you better cook this.
I feel like I've already saw him eating.
Guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you want to leave us a comment, go to our page on Instagram.
What's the page on Instagram called?
All right, kids, guys.
Bye.
Bye.